In this video, I'm going to show you how to install plugins into GIMP. So it's actually quite simple. First, you of course have to download some plugins you would like to install, and then once you have those plugins on your computer, what you want to do is go inside GIMP and then click Edit, down here where it says Preferences, and then over here in the left panel, you want to scroll down to the bottom until you see Folders. Now click this little plus to the left of Folders over here, and scroll down again until you see Plugins. Click on Plugins, and then you should see two different folders over here. The one we're going to be focusing on is this one, which is C, and then Users, and then your username of your computer, App Data, Roaming, GIMP, 2.10, or whatever number there is, and then Plugins. So click on this, and then once you click it, you want to click this button, which will show file location in the File Manager or the File Explorer on your computer. So once you click this, as you can see, this window will pop up inside your File Explorer. In here, you want to double click this plugins folder over here. So as you can see, this is the plugins folder. It's empty for me. For you, it may be different. It doesn't really matter. You can have multiple plugins in there or not at all. So the program will work either way. Now, if you want to add in a plugin, I just downloaded a random AI plugin over here onto my computer. Let me just pull it up. There we go, in a second. Okay, so I have this plugin over here. It has 4 different AI plugins, and they all should be Py, so the Python scripts, as you can see. So they usually come as Python scripts. What you want to do is then, of course, the one that you downloaded, you just want to copy it inside here, inside this plugins folder, just like I did right now. And then in order for this to take effect, you want to simply close this down and then press OK over here. Simply close down your GIMP and then open up GIMP yet again, just like this. There we go, just in a second. Okay, once you open it up, you'll be able to see that your plugins have been applied. So for me, the AI plugins are now up here, as you can see, and I can start using them as soon as I put in a new file. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.